In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy index funds and ETFs using eToro. To get started, log into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're fully signed in before moving on. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be ready to navigate to the section where investment products are listed. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click on Discover. This area is where eToro organizes different markets and asset categories, making it easier to find what you want without having to search through everything manually. If you're new to the platform, this is a useful section to become familiar with because it helps you explore available investment options in a more structured way. Once you're in Discover, select the ETFs tab. This will show you the exchange-traded funds available on the platform. ETFs can include broad market funds, sector-based funds, and other baskets of assets. So this section is where you can begin narrowing down your choices based on your investing goals. From there, search for or select the index fund or ETF you want to buy. If you already know the name or ticker, using the search feature can save time. If not, you can browse through the available options and compare them to find one that fits what you're looking for. After choosing an ETF, take a moment to review its overview, performance, and other details. This step is important because it helps you understand what the fund invests in, how it has performed over time, and any key information that may influence your decision. Even if you already know which fund you want, it's always a good idea to double-check the details before placing an order. When you're ready, click the green trade button in the upper right corner. This will open the order window where you can enter your investment amount. Type in the amount you want to invest, and be sure to check that it matches your budget and investing plan. Before completing the purchase, review your order details carefully. This is your chance to confirm that you've selected the correct ETF and entered the correct amount. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes. If everything looks good, click Open Trade to buy the ETF. Once the order is placed, your investment will be processed through the platform, and you'll be able to monitor it from your portfolio. That's all it takes to buy index funds and ETFs using eToro. Thanks for watching.